Python is known for being easy to read and learn, but it is also an incredibly powerful development language, making it great for beginners and experts alike. Python also has expansive library support, meaning you can easily install libraries that help you code pretty much anything. It's simple to develop for image processing, data analysis, and even to create games. Ready to start learning Python? We'll teach you the basics for getting started with math, variables, strings, and conditionals. Our Try Python course for free.